It's a fantastic showcase of all of the cutting edge technologies that are out there for organizations to explore and learn about.
The traffic of the people coming in and the setup and everything else, I've never seen anything like this. It's my first time.
It's a great way to understand where the market is going by meeting people and talking to them.
Because I think it's the best way is still that face-to-face interaction with people. We're able to do on-the-ground kind of market research. From that, learn what people are using, and that's been really, really useful.
What's new in the market, new technologies, interesting to see how everything is evolving and new features and functionalities.
We've been having loads of really deep conversations with people, been learning loads about what people are trying to achieve and what they're doing. Everything technology is here.
We have people from the DevOps space, we have software engineers, we have kind of security architects as well, and some kind of senior leadership as well.
We have a lot of Star Wars themed things going on. We have our lightsabers, which we actually ran out of by 11 a.m. last year. So we came back with a lot more.
Watching other people from the same industry presenting their experience, I think makes it much more real for people.
Learn from others. What didn't go well? What could have been done better?
It's great to share what we've been doing. It's good to hear some feedback as well on what we're doing and maybe get some ideas about what others are doing. Right? It's the only way to grow.
Don't miss out on the opportunity to, network and find all these new tools and exciting technologies that are being developed.
I definitely will be back next year. I love DevOps Live. I think this is my 3rd or 4th year of being here, and I always meet so many amazing people.